The most important and the most valuable part of an electric vehicle is the high voltage battery. Its condition has a direct impact on the car's lifespan, safety and the resale value. Working with high voltage batteries requires specialized expertise. That's why the most valuable part of your vehicle should only be handled by trained professionals. Hi, I'm Janne Keränen, one of the founders of Akkuauto. At Akkuauto, we provide high voltage battery inspection, maintenance, refurbishment, replacement, and the battery protection solutions. We are now expanding rapidly from Finland to the rest of Europe. Our mission is simple: to be Europe's most trusted and cost-effective high voltage battery specialist. Akkuauto brings peace of mind to electric driving now and in the future.